7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello, welcome. Where do I look? Where's the camera? Hi. Hello, YouTube. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Olaplex for you. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is called Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Okay, so my hair is kind of damaged, especially on the bottoms. As you can see, I am not a natural blonde. Shocker. So, as goes with the territory of bleaching your hair, my hair is a bit damaged. So, it is important to use products such as this. Olaplex number 3. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This stuff just really works. So, what I'm going to do is show you how I use this magical little bottle of joy. So, let's just position the camera so you can see me. Okay. So, the first thing I would do, my hair is kind of curled and blow dried from yesterday. So, I'm going to show you how I apply the Olaplex. So, the first thing I'm going to do is very gently brush out my hair. It is a little bit knotted from when I had curled it. So I'm just going to very gently brush this out. When you go blonde, it's like a full-time job, like keeping it healthy, but they want it to be blonde, so you have to use the hair mask. And I probably should have been using hair masks anyhow, right? So it's not that big of a deal. And I don't think it looks that damaged considering, it's been bleached, and not only was it bleached, but they did it wrong the first time, so then it went through like color correction and they bleached it some more, which obviously is not good. And of course, my natural hair growth is a lot softer than the blonde hair, but we're going to try to maintain the blonde the best that we can. So, this is my hair brushed out. Look at the hair growth, isn't that crazy? That's a huge amount. That's like a huge amount, like in a really short amount of time. It's only been like 4 months. And I think that's a lot for 4 months. So, okay, so now that my hair is sectioned off into this nice little poof, I can put on the Olaplex. First, what we need to do, let me just lower the water, is we need to wet the hair. I think they actually recommend like going in the shower and like either like wetting your hair or like shampooing your hair first, but that is way too much effort. So the sink is good enough. So we wet the hair as so. Now that the hair is a little bit damp, we're going to open the magical bottle of joy, the Olaplex. And we're gonna take some out And we're going to start to work it into the hair from the bottom up. Just going to work it in. I feel like quarantine has given us all this time to like do these beauty treatments. I honestly don't know if I would have done this like if I wasn't in quarantine, but you know, at least it makes you feel a little bit more productive. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some on the other side. Just work it into the hair. Some people say you just need it on the bottom, you know, that's where like most of the breakage happens, but if you have extra, you can just kind of work it towards the top. It smells really good, by the way. It's kind of like a perfumey scent, but it's not like overwhelming or anything. It just smells like fresh and kind of like you're getting a hair treatment, which you literally are, because like apparently there's like scientific like chemicals and stuff in this that like really like bond your hair and it like fixes it. How many times did I just say like? Okay, so now it has been applied to this part of my hair. Okay, so now I went ahead and applied water to the rest of my hair that I had sectioned off. And now I'm just gonna work this in to those parts of the hair. And again, primarily this is something I'm using because I obviously have bleached my hair. And since I have some left over on my hands, I'm gonna take that and apply it to my roots as well. My roots are pretty soft, so I don't really need it there, but why not? Maybe it'll help it grow. You never know. So now I'm just going to make sure it's applied all over the hair. I feel like I'm really indecisive about my hair color. Like I feel that when I go blonde, like a week later, I want to go to dark hair. And then I'll go to the hairstylist and I'll be like, I want to go back to blonde, and they just shake their head. They're like, that's not possible. And then, you know, once I've gone, you know, back to blonde again, then I'm like, oh, I want to go like red or black or whatever. So yeah, I hope my hair doesn't fall out because, you know, it's a lot of hair stuff that I'm doing, but yeah, why not? Try out different looks, guys, and you find what you like. Okay, so now that it is all applied to my hair, you must wait. So you can just leave it like this, or you can put it on like a hair cap. I may do that just to like hope it like, you know. And so once I feel like it's been on for like maybe like 20 minutes. I'm not sure how long they recommend to keep this on. It says a minimum of 10 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes is probably good. You go in the shower, you rinse it off. And my personal review is that it's really been helping my hair. You know, I went blonde, bleach, damaging, you know, breakage. So I think it's really helped. It's made it feel softer. It's definitely more soft. And when I blow dry my hair, I feel like it's easier to blow dry my hair. Like it doesn't knot up as much. And overall, like aesthetically, I think my hair quality looks a lot better. So, you know, again, this video is not sponsored, but this stuff has really been pretty good. So this is the bottle. This is what it looks like, guys, so you can see it, the size of it. And this is my hand, so you can see how big it is. And this is 8.5 ounces. So this was the bigger size, and it's lasted me, I think, like 4 treatments already. So I don't even feel like I've used up like half of it. So I mean, I think this was a pretty good deal, like for doing like your own at-home hair treatments, and especially now, like obviously I haven't been going into the hair salon, you know, so you know, you may want to try this out. And I still haven't figured out where the camera is on this, so if I'm looking all over, that's why. I think it's there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my hair tutorial on how I applied the beautiful little Olaplex. You may want to check it out, and see you soon.